In this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working issue in your Android phone and reset your Wi-Fi settings in Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Android phone settings. And the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, until you get to system right here. Go ahead and click on system. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down right here until you get to reset phone. Go ahead and click on that. Then here you go. You have reset Wi-Fi settings. Go ahead and click on that. Then you have network SIM data right here. However, if you are using two mobile data SIM, you have to switch to the particular Wi-Fi SIM that you want to reset. And then, as at the time of making this video, I'm using two SIM right here. The first SIM here is MTN, and the second one is Glo right here. So you can switch from one another that you know that have issue with your Wi-Fi. Reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. Come down below right here and hit on reset, and you are done. With that, reconnect your Wi-Fi and your internet will start browsing successful on your Android phone. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial about Android troubleshoot like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.